Another episode of Health and Wellness. I'm your host, Rosen Green, and on today's program is Maya Chambers. She was born and raised in New York City to parents of Latin African American descent. Maya Chambers has been a vegan for 8 years. Maya started the healthier journey in 2000 when she was diagnosed with fibroids. After doing extensive research, she was able to treat herself by juicing fruits and vegetables to minimize the growth of the fibroids. Over the years, Maya Chambers has practiced a raw and vegan diet and has introduced juicing tips to friends and family. In 2014, Maya Chambers gained clients and founded a wellness juicing program called Maya Goddess. Wow! Her mission is to spread awareness about the benefits of juicing and healthy eating habits. One day to have her own practice geared to wellness coaching and to develop a great relationship with clients, everyday people, athletes, and actors. Today we will be exploring how natural juicing can contribute to better health and wellness. Welcome to the program, Maya.
Hi. In 2000, my doctor had diagnosed me with fibroids, and there wasn't a real reason to why I had it. It could have been from stress, unhealthy eating habits. When I was younger, I would eat a lot of processed foods, fast food. I did extensive research on my own and found that incorporating more veggies and fruit would not only help me and have me at my healthiest, but also minimize the growth of the fibroid. What I started doing was juicing, finding out what the different vegetables and fruits, what their benefits were, nutritional value, and then I started juicing every single day. Juice maybe 3 times a day, but it's helped tremendously. I wanted to find another approach to taking a whole bunch of pills and prescriptions that sometimes does more harm than good. I felt the benefits. I felt lighter. I didn't have headaches. My skin cleared up. It was good for my hair. It's not necessary if you have a health issue. It can also be maybe if you're tired, if you're suffering from depression, insomnia. Also, a lot of fruits and vegetables are good if you have maybe like bad breath or, hygiene. So it's just good to have every day just so you're at your best. Apples are a great way for fiber. Beets are a great way for fiber. Berries are also great in fiber. So you do get a lot of fiber. A lot of the vegetables have fiber. They have nutrients, minerals, potassium, all high in vitamins A, C, E, K, all the things that your body needs anyway to function and clean itself. You have to take care of yourself first and foremost to be your best self. We're in the city, we tend to overwork ourselves, overwork our bodies. And this is a good way to say thank you to your body and to put back all the things that maybe, the toxins have taken out and the stress. And I just think it's an overall good process, and it's just so beneficial. And instantly you will feel the benefits. It's a process. Know what you like. Don't put everything together. Take baby steps.
Wonderful note. We're going to take a break. Contemplate on all that she have just said. Thank you so much for staying with us on the program. In this segment of Living Well with Dr. Robert Gucciardo, we're going to speak about juicing. You have just seen Maya as she demonstrates some lovely presentation.
Maya's story is actually very interesting because she learned pretty much on her own and took care of her health because she was having a lot of health concerns. And you hear a lot of stories like that, people taking it into their own hands, and that's really good to do. Juicing can benefit you in many ways. Juicing is a way of getting the nutrients that you can't get from sitting down and eating, 3 cups of kale. There are situations, though, Roseanne, where someone will have to do juicing alone. So juicing can have great benefits, both for someone who's in a terminal situation that wants to try to make a change, and for the everyday person. Maya was showing that juicing in a blender, a lot of people are incorporating in because it's easier, and it's a more cost-effective way to do it. With blending, you're keeping the nutrients together and you're keeping the fiber together. And as Maya said, she was spinning it far so she doesn't see anything in there anymore, which means that graininess is almost gone. But she will strain it from time to time.